Hey guys, now who out there has been eating ice cream every single night while watching their favorite Netflix show? I know I have, so today I'm going to be showing you a healthier alternative, and let me tell you, you can have as many scoops as you like without having to worry about that waistline. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so here I have a few fruits I'm going to be using today to start off this healthy ice cream. Whichever flavor you choose, it's going to always have the base, which is bananas. You're going to need about 4 to 5 bananas and make sure they're nice and ripe with a few spots for that maximum sweetness. Cut them into small sized pieces and place them into a container to freeze. Next, I'm going to be cleaning some strawberries. I cannot stress enough how important it is to work with nice and ripe fruit here. Be sure to taste the berries, guys. Make sure that they're not sour because it's really going to make the difference between enjoying this ice cream to thinking that it's just okay. If you're using pineapple, it must be fully yellow, almost shriveled like, and if you just smell the skin, however sweet it smells, is exactly how delicious it's going to taste. For those of you new to my channel, I post new recipes weekly. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on them. Now place the fruit into the freezer. It should take about an hour. It doesn't have to be fully frozen. Place the strawberries into either a blender or a food processor along with the bananas and some almond milk. Go ahead and fully pulse this into a puree. Place the puree onto a shallow baking dish and it's going to go back into the freezer to firm up. Do the same with the cut up frozen pineapple with a few bananas as the base. Feel free to add vanilla extract as well, which really complements all of these flavors. A few splashes of almond milk and pulse away into a puree. These ice creams are extremely customizable. This one was definitely my favorite. All it needed was a little coconut here. Now lastly, of course, I had to make the famous chocolate banana combo. Add enough cocoa powder to your liking, blend it away, and once it's this delicious consistency, add either a swirl of peanut butter or more vanilla and cocoa powder and place it onto that tray to firm up with all the others. After about an hour, these little treats are ready. Get your ice cream scoop out. I must note that if you made these the night before, just leave them out a few minutes on the counter to soften up so they're scoopable. These are similar to a sorbet, but with the addition of the creamy almond milk along with the warm vanilla essence gives these fruit ice creams the most explosive flavors that keeps everybody going back for more. It really just hits the spot on a warm afternoon. This all-natural frozen treat is packed with tons of nutrients like potassium and fiber, which will help lower blood pressure and improve digestion, just to name a few of its health benefits. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. I love reading them. And stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.